Hello, David here, MarineMax and Lake Hopatcong one more time. Today we have a 2025 Harris 210 Sunliner. Sunliner has decorative bars on the exterior, some more stuff inside, factory dock lights. This one has a saltwater addition. It is a tri-tune with the RPM chassis. That's outside tunes of 25, inside tune of 27. We have matte black with vivid blue. Of course, single lounger with the safety rails on the rear, with fender storage. Let's get up on deck, we'll show you some more. Okay, we moved up on the aft of this beautiful boat. We have our steam pylon, a Mercury 150 engine there, a cooler underneath the rear seat, storage underneath the back seat, the rail system, pass-through door. Our backrest on the single lounger, we're locking a 45. You don't have to go all the way flat for a nice sun pad. More storage underneath every seat. We moved up front on this beautiful boat, and every cup holder, every seat, there's dual cup holders with charge ports, dual chargers. Of course, the Sunliner has the armrest, cross stitch in the fabric with two-tone. We have our change house over here on the port side, large boarding door, shore close, 400 pounds of outward pressure, storage, massive amounts of storage in that center tune. We have our high back chair, power bimini top, cup holders, lockable glove box, power bimini, lots of good stuff. Come on down, we'll show you the rest of the boat.